Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss important news around and I'll discuss important stock market update and its Q4 results and upcoming results also. And along with that, I'll discuss Nifty 50 chart, analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll discuss the important key levels for next week. So, to know the important stock market update, news, and Nifty 50 levels, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update, stock market update, and all about the stock market in one video. So let's start video with the important update which is happening around geopolitical situation and between the India Pakistan tension between India and Pakistan. Now it is ceasefire means अभी दोनों साइड से अब कोई भी मिलिट्री या आर्मी एक्टिविटीज नहीं होंगी but it happens it had for 12th May only. So 12th May again the both the India and Pakistan DGMO are going to meet and some talks are going to happen. So that we'll see on 12th what happens on 12th, that we will see. But till now the important update is that the ceasefire happened between India and Pakistan. So this was important update and other thing which is happening that Q4 results. Yes, in last week the important Q4 result, the companies has posted. The M&M posted their earnings, Q4 earning. Voltas posted their Q4 earning. Polycap posted, and they all three has posted a very good results in last week. And I will show you the important result also. But results were very good, and some also posted bad also. So if we talk about the good results, yes, M&M posted good result. Voltas, you can see Voltas ka revenue is also increased by 13.4%, means earlier it was 4,200 around, and now it has become 4,768 something. So net profit also increased by 113%, means earlier 110 crore के around था, but now it is 235 crore. EBITDA is also increased by around 75%, and it is now from 190, has now become the 322. And the last is the important thing, margin is now from 4.3% to now it has become 7%. मतलब 4.3% से 7% का मार्जिन हो गया, जो कि 245 bps ऊपर है. So very good results from the Voltas. And as you know, the Voltas का जो स्टॉक है वो ये गर्मियों में बहुत चलता है, because they make the AC. So because of that also the Q4 is very good. The second important result is Polycab. They have also posted very good results. As you can see, the Q4 profit, revenue is now from 5,590, means we can say 5,600 से लेके now it has become 6,900. It is means 7,000 around. The revenue has increased, means almost 25% इंक्रीज हो चुका है रेवेन्यू. और अगर हम प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स की बात करें तो इट हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड बाय 33%, एंड फ्रॉम 546 crore टू नाउ इट हैज़ बिकम द 726.6 crore, the PAT. And the EBITDA is now from 761 to 1025 crore, which is 34.5% up. And if you see margin, the margin is now from 13.6% to 14.67%. So matlab slightly it is also up 100 around bps, 105 around bps the margin has increased. So this is also a very good result from Polycab. So even M&M, you can go through the for M&M also, which is very which has posted very good Q4 earning. So this was a very good these was the company which has posted good Q4 earning last week. Or if we talk about the important upcoming Q4 earning next week, so more important, you can write down the name of the company which are going to post their result in next week, which they are PVR Cipla, Hero Motocorp, Tata Motor, Godrej Industry, and Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel. All these are, if we talk about important results, so Tata Steel, Bharti Airtel, Cipla, Gale, and Tata Motor. These are very uh, important result, upcoming result. So you can go through all these results in next week. Now these were important update which I wanted to share. And now we will quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll see what was happening last week. If you see this chart, see, I have made this I have made this pattern, flag pattern from here. It back to back, the Nifty 50 went up, and here, if you see these, I think 2 3 weeks it was consolidating and stuck in this range you can see from here, ये यहाँ से लेके, और इफ वी सी यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक इसी रेंज में स्टक है निफ्टी 50। तो वो मूवमेंट अब यहाँ मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, विच आई वॉज सीइंग हेयर बैक टू बैक. So it is looking little bit negative. Okay, but it was negative also because of the situation, geopolitical situation happening around. तो मे बी उसकी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा हो, या आई डोंट नो. बट यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा सा निफ्टी 50 पॉज हो गया है, स्टक हो गया है, तो वी हैव टू सी दिस रेंज. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट लेवल which nifty 50 has to break to go up, that is the 24,500. 24,500 600 से ऊपर निफ्टी 50 को जाना ही होगा. I will have to go to touch the this important level, which is 24,800. Still my important resistance is 24,800 only. But as I just mentioned, that the important update about the India Pakistan tension, that is ceasefire. So maybe because of the ceasefire, nifty 50 may show a good reaction on this and may open gap up. So gap up opening is possible on Monday. और इसको इसमें क्या हो सकता है कि it will open little bit up and from there it will fall down. So ये भी हो सकता है, it is one possibility. और I feel market should react positively on this news, but let's see. We cannot be sure about anything. We should definitely keep watching, keep your eyes on these important news which is happening. That is definitely going to impact our Indian stock market, going to affect our Indian stock market. तो अगर support की बात करें तो you can see this line, blue line, which is 20 EMA of Nifty 50. What happened? यहाँ तक तो it was consolidating, but on Friday, because of news and tension, Nifty 50 tried to go up to this level, which was high was 24,150 around. तो 24 वहाँ पे exactly heavy selling has started. The seller became heavy on this situation, on this point, and they have sold heavily. And from here again, Nifty 50 went down and closed below 20 EMA. You can see here this blue line, and the Nifty 50 closed below this blue line. So this is not showing very good sign because of this heavy selling happened. But one thing you should keep in your mind: this day the news was different, the war and tension was going on, but today is the update is different, the news is different. We don't know what the nifty 50 is going to react. I should I feel that it should react positively. So we have to see the gap up opening happening or not. We have to watch on that. I already mentioned this line, which is very important, which is the important support of the Nifty 50 23,850. This support I have given in the last video also. This 23,850 is still a very important support for the Nifty 50. But in one option, if it's breaking this support in next week, I'm talking about short term, 23,850 agar break hota hai by nifty 50, so the next level we can check, the immediate level we can see if this is this level, which is 24,300 around yahan pe, 23,000, sorry, 23,300 around can be a next support. ये यहाँ पे you can see this line, this support. Okay, so this support 23,300 can be a next support. अभी I'm not going beyond this 23,300. I'm not actually feeling that it should go, but अगर जाता है तो I will update on that, but अभी के लिए I'm not going beyond that 23,300. If it will break, come down and it break this 23,300 also, then I will see the next level what can be, तब वो gap filling के लिए आ सकता है. This gap you can see here, this gap is very important. Nifty 50 may come to fill this gap in coming future, but abhi ke liye I don't think in next week it is going to fill this gap. And this support is 23,800, 850, 22,850, 22,850 का gap fill करने के लिए nifty 50 आ सकता है, but not, I'm not jumping on this level for next week. Still I'm holding, I want to hold this 23,300 only for the next support. So all in all, if we talk about the important support and resistance, so Nifty 50 important support for the next week can be 23,850, and after breaking 23,850, the 23,300 can be an important support, and resistance is 24,500, and after breaking 24,500, 24,800 will be a next resistance. So this important 2 3 levels I have discussed, very important. You should be mindful with these levels, you should keep watch on these levels in next week. And I will repeat again the level for nifty 50: support 23,850, after breaking 23,850, 23,300, and resistance 24,500, and then 24,800. So all these important stock market update information and q4 result, along with that I have discussed the important level for nifty 50 also. And like, share the video, and subscribe the channel for this kind of important update and important indices levels. Signing off.